Welcome back to iHeart Crypto. If you like the content, go down, subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, smash up that like button. Let's get right into it. Bitcoin coming in at 42,600, so basically the same place we were yesterday. As we talk about many times on our macro scale, we have our Heikin-Ashi candles where we had a reversal here because of the overshadow, a reversal here. We didn't get the reversal here, but we are getting a reversal right here. So it's not like it plays out every single time, but on Heikin-Ashi candles, when you see the candle body with a little bit of the wicks down there, you can tell that we're going to have a reversal. As you can see on this downtrend, we did not have those wicks. On the uptrend, we really didn't have the bottom wicks at all, especially down here on this uptrend right here. We right now could be coming back down to test the $40,000 range. We have this uptrend of support drawn in here. Let's go to the 4 hour. All right. And one of the things that I am looking for is it to come back down and retest this trend line. It looks like it was headed back down, but then it kind of had this falling wedge right in here, and it looks like it broke out. Now, how far up can this go? Well, on the 4 hour, we are looking like we were coming up to test that 21 EMA. Got rejected off of it. And on our daily ribbon, we are back up into it. Our EMA ribbon, I mean. We got back up into it, but it looks like we're getting rejected at the moment. I named this video Weekend Warriors because a lot of times, people like to trade on the weekends. They got extra time. How come I always freeze? I always freeze. This is crazy. Let's fix this up. There we go. Much better. Alright. Floated on top. Alright, anyway, there are Weekend Warriors. A lot of the times, people like to trade on the weekends, but it's really volatile on the weekends. We did have a little bit of a long put in on AVAX right here. We actually closed out that long, and I'm like, I want to reopen it so bad right now because it looks like we're coming back up. If you guys want, we could put in a little bit of a long right on stream here, because we do kind of have a little bit of a breakout going on. And on the 1 hour, it looks like we have so much room to run. So maybe we'll open up a little bit of a long here on AVAX. It makes me a little nervous, though. This is what I'm talking about. Trading on the weekends can be extremely volatile. And longing in a downtrend isn't exactly what you want to be doing. It looks like we had this falling wedge right here as well. So, right like this. And we broke out of it now. What would the measured move of this be? Well, we could take it from the bottom to the top, extrapolate it out. And it doesn't look like we have a lot more upside to go. So, maybe... And it looks like we're going to come up and hit that... let's see. Oh, it doesn't have the EMA lines there, but that purple EMA line. So, how much percent would you be looking at here before you get back up? You're looking at 2 or 3%. Maybe it's not even worth it, right? So we're going to go ahead and just not put in our long today. Weekend Warriors, you don't want to be... trading on the weekends. It can be very volatile. So that's not my recommendation. Anyway, I'm trying to make this video fairly quick. What I'm going to do right now is refresh the page and go through our crypto market cap. Okay, so we got Bitcoin minus 2%. XRP is having one hell of a day, by the way. XRP, right here. Where are you, XRP? I know I just had it up. There it is. XRP with a nice little pump. Looks like it's coming back down now. The 15-minute was quite cooked. But XRP having a really good Saturday. Cardano down 8%, sitting at $1.06. Solana sitting under $100 right now. Avalanche down 7% at $82. So it might be a good day to dollar cost average in. Right now, I'm not doing that. We have a lot in red here. So, let's see. I don't know what this coin is, but it looks like it's been very strong. Might be a good day to dollar cost average in. I'm not dollar cost averaging at the moment. I do have about 30% cash on the side because we did sell our eGold for a $52 profit, or Elrond, whatever. So we did do that. That was really good. Let's take a look at our crypto fear and greed index. We're probably sitting a little bit more in fear. Yep. We are back into fear at a 44. Our heat map, let's see, we have XRP in the green, and the rest is pretty much red. So, you kind of want to be buying on a red day, See, it's a good thing we didn't put in that AVAX long. It looks like we're coming back down. It's just not worth it. So, nothing on Twitter today. If you want a copy of this beginner's guide to crypto assets, the link is in the description below. If you click the link, it'll make you a copy of this, and it will take you through the fundamentals, what a distributed ledger is, what a blockchain is, what a layer 2 solution is, all this good stuff for free with videos, definitions, charts, and then it also has, where is it? It's got some definitions in here, but it gives you a link to the Fear and Greed Index, a view of the entire market, a link to DeFi Llama, and a couple other cool little charts here, and little tips and tricks on how to navigate the crypto market, how to use different exchanges, and a bunch of different videos from great influencers that I follow, along with some technical analysis on how to use TradingView and all the different kind of technicals that you might go through, and vocabulary that you need to know when navigating, the crypto space. So, yeah, just real quick, what we can do at the moment is we can kind of just go through some of these coins and just tell you which ones I'm a big fan of. Of course, Ethereum is always a good play. It is the biggest market cap at $350 million. Okay, I really like Ethereum. XRP is a tough one to hold. If it wins the SEC case, I could see this thing mooning. Cardano has been between like $1 and $1.30 forever. It's just not my favorite coin. Solana actually was my favorite coin, but it's been having a ton of problems lately with the network. So I'm not really dollar cost averaging into Solana. The next coin I'm looking to dollar cost average into is AVAX. I think AVAX is going to end up flipping Solana. Terra Luna is great because the tokenomics are also great. Polkadot parachains we're a big fan of. Matic is one of the best layer 2 solutions, especially on Ethereum, and it's its own blockchain. Crypto.com, one of the best exchanges with great marketing. Never going to get Litecoin. Cosmos, the internet of blockchains. It's a great blockchain. Let's see if there's any others down here. I'm not a big fan of Mana. Big fan of Phantom. It's an up-and-coming blockchain. Sandbox is a metaverse play, much better than Decentraland. Hedera Hashgraph uses Hashgraph technology, which was closed source, but now it's open source, which is a lot more to the narrative of the decentralized, decentralized transparentness of crypto. And then some of the other lower cap ones. Helium has the Helium network, which is like a Wi-Fi network that is decentralized. Harmony One, really getting into the DeFi space. Gala Games, which is basically the infrastructure or the platform for all these different kind of games. Really like Gala Games. Big fan. Gonna pick up some Gala on the next pullback. The problem with Gala is that it ran up so hot, and it looks like it's gonna be coming back down. Oh, actually got deleted. Oh, there it is. Gala actually up 3% today, but it ran really hot. Went up about 80%. I mean, I wish I had gotten into Gala. Almost went up 100%, but it looks like it's coming back up, but it's just not a great play at the moment. I think it's going to be testing this uptrend of support here. If you just draw this out right here, it could be coming back up to test that. So see, these are some of my favorite coins that I really like to get into. Thorchain, interoperability between blockchains. Kadena, like 100,000 transactions per second. Really big fan of Kadena. Arweave is a decentralized file storage play. And then the rest, I have some of these. Starred Secret Network is a privacy blockchain. I did dollar cost average into that. And it was actually doing really well. But with the recent dip, I think I went below my entry point. And that would be the top 100. So, I wanted to keep this video fairly quick. Bitcoin looks like it broke out, but it does look like it's coming back down to test these EMA ribbons. And that is the story of the day. Looks like AVAX is coming back up at the moment. It's just not worth it to be trading on the weekends, folks. It's just not worth it. My strategy is to dollar cost average, hold, And if a trade does present itself, it will. It looks like this already broke out. Kind of missed it already. If we played the breakout, we could have gotten 2% on a trade, which wouldn't have been too bad. Maybe held it a little bit longer, but it's the weekends are time to be with your family. I just got back from a wrestling match, and it's just important to not be staring at the charts all the time. And you got to have time with your family, time for your crypto, time for work, and if you have any other hobbies, crypto is actually my hobby. These are the things that make me happy, and I really like making these videos. I'm going to keep this one short. Have a great weekend. Don't panic sell your crypto. Protect your capital and trade well. Take care, guys.